Hey everybody, this is Dylan. I'm gonna show you today a simple recipe with just 5 ingredients. It's gonna taste like your favorite at-home Italian dish, but it's gonna come together in a jiff. It's gonna be slow cooker, meatball, ravioli, casserole. So one of the reasons this recipe is so simple is the use of the slow cooker. I had to rethink about the way that I've been cooking food lately because I recently became a father. So I needed something that was minimal effort while still being hearty and fulfilling. So the 5 simple ingredients that you're gonna need here are a frozen ravioli of your choice. Today I'm just using a cheese stuffed ravioli because I'm getting my protein from these frozen meatballs, a jar of your favorite marinara sauce, a can of evaporated milk, and then about a cup of Italian cheese or a cheese of your choosing. Full fat mozzarella is another great choice. This one's really all about layering. Think about it kind of like a lasagna. So first things first, let's get the inside of our slow cooker lined with your favorite nonstick spray. Just helps cleanup make a little bit easier and faster. And then we're gonna break this up a little bit. It goes sauce, meatballs, milk, ravioli. Start with a third of the sauce. Meatballs next. Do half here. Try and distribute it evenly around the slow cooker. We want this to cook nice and even. It's gonna have all day to do it, but still helps you. Milk next. Just gonna do half. Next is the ravioli. Don't worry too much about breaking them up. That's gonna happen throughout the course of cooking. One of the parts of frozen ravioli, they're gonna stick together a little bit. Then, for the layering part, do it all over again. Another third, meatballs, milk, finish it off, and then ravioli. Finish off your last little bit of sauce, and we'll save some cheese for the end. Only one step left to do here. Grab your lid, pop that on top. We're cooking this one on low. About 20 minutes before you go to serve this, go ahead and grab that Italian cheese and sprinkle it over the top. It's really important you don't put this in too early. We want this to be nice, stretchy, beautiful color. If you put it in 20 minutes beforehand, you're gonna be golden. One of my favorite things about cooking with the slow cooker is that anticipation you have all day. When you walk home into the door and you can finally smell that dinner that's been waiting for you. Yeah, that's good. I love to pair this and grow it up a little bit with something like Cabernet Sauvignon. So that nice kind of like bitter flavor pairs with the sweets of the tomato sauce. Put it alongside breadsticks, frozen or fresh, whatever you want to do. Or if you want to bring some greens into the picture, a nice little side salad or arugula is great. You can't really ask for something much more fulfilling. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, cooking dinner with me, and sharing in one of my favorites. I can't wait to see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.